In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in Roblox. So right now, I'm here in my Roblox account. So we will check my currency. As you can see, I have Philippine peso as my currency for buying Roblox badges. So how do you actually change this? So by default, your currency is set by where you signed up or where you created your Roblox account. So if Roblox detected that you're specifically from the Philippines, they will assign that currency to your account. To get around this, we first have to check a few settings to have a better understanding of what we are doing here. So first, go to your settings. Here, as you can see, there's a few options that you could actually check. Here we have the language, theme, and gender, but previously they have uh, the setting on the region where you could set where you're from. So from there you could actually change if you change your from where or from what country you are from, you could actually change the currency that you have here. But since this option is not available right now in Roblox, but you may wait for it, they might return this feature later on. But right now it's not available. We'll have to do it the other way. So the other way for us to do that is actually to use VPN. So VPN is actually it redirects your internet connection to a different location where it changes the location. For example, for VPN, you could choose your connection to be in the US. So when you connect to the US and log into your Roblox account, that should change your currency for that. So when check, it should turn into dollars if in the US, or if in your India, it'll be changed to rupees and such. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. Found this video helpful.